Welcome to the age of artificial intelligence in B2B marketing. Welcome to Metadata, where deep learning will make your inbound lead flow scalable and predictable, while saving you the need to deal with multiple siloed tools and mundane tasks, such as manually setting up campaigns and A/B testing, placing conversion pixels, purchasing data, retargeting, and more. Just click to connect the Metadata Demand Gen engine to your existing CRM and marketing stack. And watch how it analyzes and enriches your data. It then precisely defines your total addressable market, creates buyer personas by industry, job, seniority, location, and more, and lets you add your named accounts. Now you can upload your marketing collateral and creative, and automatically deploy thousands of marketing experiments on multiple channels and audiences. Metadata will identify campaign bottlenecks, and with deep learning, will constantly adjust your campaigns to grow your pipeline. Scale your marketing with artificial intelligence. Metadata, augmenting the human marketer.